We're excited to introduce the new Unisetu Dashboard, your one-stop solution to manage application pendencies and track business performance in one place. Now your urgent actions, funnel performance, growth gaps, and key opportunities are all brought together in one clear view. So you never miss a critical application and always know where to focus next. Let's take a quick tour. On the left side panel, you'll find quick access to key sections like Dashboard, Unisetu Exclusives, GeeBee Course Search, Applications, Students, and Allied Services. Everything you need is just one click away. This is the Unisetu Dashboard, bringing all your application pendencies and business performance into one focused view. At the top, you'll find two key tabs. Use priority actions to see what needs your attention today. Use Business Overview to track your funnel, conversions, and growth opportunities, so you know exactly where to act and where to grow. Let's start with priority actions. In today's focus, use the country and intake filters to view pending tasks for a specific region or intake. You can quickly check top pendencies in each category ranked in order of urgency. No more hassle of manually prioritizing applications. In these tabs, the numbers help you understand the number of top priority actionable items at a glance. The queue clears up as you keep resolving these pendencies. You can use quick actions to move faster. You can search courses, add applications, add students, or get instant profile shortlisting. The next section helps you keep track of university updates and upcoming training sessions. You can also switch on the Universities with My Apps toggle to see updates only from universities linked to your existing applications. Important announcements and key updates are available here, so you don't have to search for them. From the left menu, open Unisetu Exclusives. Here, you'll find exclusive tools built on Unisetu to give you an edge, like the Information Hub, University Scholarships, and Live Profile Shortlisting. These features are designed to help you support students better and discover opportunities faster. In Earn with Unisetu, you can stay on top of rewards and redeem them for services like IELTS, self-prep, SOP assistance, and English exam discount to support your students. You can also connect with GeeBee appointed university managers directly from the platform, making it easier to get information without waiting on long email chains. For further help, use the GeeBee support section to connect with the support team. You can also filter by country to reach out for country-specific support. If you're facing any difficulty or are not satisfied with the service, email us anytime at support@gbeeworld.org. Finally, visit Allied Services from the left menu to access key services and important links from one central hub. That's your Unisetu Dashboard, built to help you efficiently manage applications, track performance, recover opportunities, and get support faster.